Well, guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to do is this oil change. I'm just going to make a point, guys. Normally when they tell you do oil change at the required time, please do it. You see this one right here, the oil is so dirty that it's kind of becoming thicker, and then once it becomes so thick and the filter is this dirty, that means, guys, it cannot filter all the particles that are in the oil, and then this is going to risk your engine, because over time the oil will become thicker and thicker and then eventually become sludge, and then that's how you lose your engine. So guys, please pay attention to your dash and pay attention to all the messages we just shown on the dash telling you it's time for oil change. Please do oil change. But if you get your car at this point and at this time, please make sure you just clean your system first. Put the oil, maybe do it for just 1,000 miles, and then once that is done, come and do a second oil change to clean the system and make it look clean, because at this rate and time, this is too bad. Okay, see, when I'm draining, the oil is so thick. It's really thick, guys. It's not good. Yeah, so next time, guys, please pay good attention to your oil. When service time is there, please do service, and then it will keep your engine in good shape and your car will run for a longer time and it will be more cleaner. And make sure every time you do your oil change, please change the filter.